This How to 1 Minute will show you how to put Grammarly on Outlook. First of all, open your browser and type here. Download Grammarly for Outlook. And open this URL, Grammarly for MS Office. And then click on Get the add-in. And then Grammarly for Microsoft Office will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, open your file manager and you will get this Grammarly add-in setup. So all you have to do is just double click on this to start installation and then click on Get Started. If you want to add Grammarly on your Word and Outlook, then check these two options from here and click on Install. And it may take some time to install it. And as you can see, I've successfully installed Grammarly for Office Suite. And then relaunch your Outlook. And here we can see the Grammarly has been successfully added to my Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.